Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing really well. Today I'm so excited to finish off my first Japan travel journal. I've been working in this for a little while and I've had so much fun. I think I might make 3 or 4 journals for my trip when I went in 2018. I took my little niece and it was one of the best trips I've ever went on, and I loved creating this journal and I can't wait to get into the second one. And on my channel you're going to find a ton of bright, colorful pages of travel journals, memory journals, daily journals, and a ton of tips and tricks also for your own journaling. And when I started journaling, I couldn't find anyone who was doing any really fun, colorful pages. They were all more neutral, and I wanted to kind of share that with you guys, that, you know, there's definitely a different way of journaling, and hopefully I can inspire you guys to find your own style. And of course, I love everything bright and colorful, so I'm sure there's more people out there like fun, bright colors as well. And if not, even just hopefully some ideas will pop up into your journaling style once you watch some of my videos. And if you guys like that kind of a thing, for these first few pages I really wanted to keep them very simple. I used my own journal that I created. It's kind of like one of my recycled journals. I used all kinds of papers, tracing paper, atlases, grid paper, and then I colored them with fun bright colors. And then also tons of photos that I took, but also some that I found on Google and printed them myself, the sizes that I wanted, with pockets, tip-ins, and all that kind of stuff. So I love journaling and I love sharing these videos with you guys, and hopefully you guys get some ideas for your own journaling. Here I'm using one of my favorite stamp sets. I recently got it maybe a few months ago, and I love that the letters are hollow so I can paint them and color them any color I want. And then here I actually make a huge mistake. I accidentally spell hostel wrong on the one page, and I'm going to show you guys actually how to fix it in a couple of seconds here. But first I'm just going to show you guys how I'm coloring it in. Normally I prefer painting my letters in, but here I'm just going to try out my Posca markers, and which I love these, by the way. And then here I'm going to show you guys how you guys can fix any mistake in a sketchbook, bullet journal, and of course a daily journal. Hey guys, so as I was doing the flip through when I was editing, I realized that I spelt hostel wrong here. So I'm going to show you guys how you guys can fix it. So all you need is some sort of post-it note. You could even use, like, if there's a fun picture, a map or something you wanted, like even like a little piece of a map. Whatever matches the color, you could totally do that. But I'm going to use a sticky, like one of these. Maybe a smaller one. So I'm going to use one of these guys. That one's a little plain, so I'm going to use something fun. Maybe which color looks best? Oh, I like the pink. Maybe I'll go with the pink. So basically what you're going to do, grab a scrap piece of paper. Here's one. And then we're going to use our glue. There you go. Now it's fixed. And that's how it looks. Can't even tell. But yeah, kind of like just like how you do in your sketchbooks, same thing. Just add a Post-it note and you're good to go. I hope you guys found that part helpful. I know I struggled with how I would fix any of my stamping errors before. I figured out that little trick, so hopefully that will help you guys save some of your pages. It's definitely a better way to save a page than ripping it out. I really don't want you guys to rip out your pages, and I think it's just so creative and you can find a way to solve a problem. So hopefully that helped you guys. And then for the last page here, I'm just going to add some random pictures, some of my emoji stickers, and some of my washi, which I love. I bought that washi tape in Japan, and it's just got a whole bunch of sushi on it, which is so cute. And then a ton of journaling. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got a couple of ideas for your journals, and thank you so much for being here. I can't wait to start the next journal. I'm gonna have a flip through very soon for you guys, a silent one and then a regular one, and oh, I can't wait to start the second one. So hopefully you have a great weekend, guys, and I'll have a brand new video for you guys next week. Bye.